Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to hide delivery text on Messenger. So you have to open your Messenger app on the Android device. So today I will teach you how to hide delivery text. You just simply open your Messenger and go to the top horizontal lines of the top left. You have to open the settings and there is the active status. You have to turn it off, the active status, until I change it. So you have to turn it off, and now no one can chat, see the blue text delivery text. So it will be when you active status is turn it off, it will be automatically hide delivery text. It's a Facebook meta privacy. So it's just one step to hide delivery text. It's very simple. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.